Alright guys, so I caved and got a trendy bag that I said I would never buy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie here on YouTube, and if you love all things fashion, luxury, and lifestyle, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So guys, I know I said I'm trying to avoid from buying trendy bags, but I couldn't resist. So basically, as you guys already know, this is the Tabby 26 bag from Coach. And I don't know, like, I just kept seeing it everywhere. It's been out for like 2 years now, I think. And I literally just decided to go into the Coach store for some reason. And I guess because like also I was watching another YouTuber and she had this one in the mini size. And I was like, let me just go to the Coach store, check it out, see what it's all about, because she made it look really nice. And basically I went to the store and I fell in love with it. I felt kind of guilty because I feel like, I don't know, this is like the pillow puffy material and it kind of just reminds me a lot of my Chanel 19 bag, but obviously this one is a beige color, it's not a white color, and it has a shoulder too. It's a shoulder one versus like my Chanel one is just crossbody, so that kind of like helps me out a little bit, I guess, with not feeling as guilty. But again, it is Coach, so the prices aren't as crazy as like Chanel prices or Gucci or like Louis Vuitton, so it's definitely less expensive than those stores. And honestly, the price isn't like crazy. It's still expensive, but like a lot more doable, I feel like, to want to do like those sudden like spontaneous splurges. So basically this one comes, like I mentioned, in 2 different sizes and in several colors. And basically I just wanted this as like a nice everyday bag that I can use during the summertime and maybe even during the winter time, because it also does come with a strap where you can use it as a crossbody. So that'd be really helpful for like when I have a puffer coat on. Usually it's kind of hard to have like shoulder bags when you have the puffer coat on, but yeah, it'd be better with the crossbody. So basically I went in stores and obviously you just got to the bag, and then it comes with the dust bag, and then I have my receipt right here, and then I believe there's like some card or something like that. I don't even think I took it out yet. Oh yeah, this is like their authenticity of, you know, if it's real or not. Sorry, I keep like flip-flopping, but yeah, this comes in 2 different sizes. There is a mini size, which also comes with a crossbody, and then there is this size, the 26. So the mini is very cute, but it's super tiny. And I've talked about this before on my channel and how I feel about splurging on tiny bags. It's like a no-go for me anymore. I'm over it, because I am the type of person where I always put my phone in my bag. The tiny one does fit your phone, but I just know it's going to annoy me because it just fits perfectly. And then if you want to fit anything else in, it's just a lot. And again, like I said, I kind of wanted also this to be my everyday bag. And the mini one is like super cute if you're the type of person who's always going to like nice dinners, going out to the clubs and stuff like that. That is definitely the perfect bag for you, because like I said, it's super cute. I loved it. But I am more of a homebody these days. I'm not really going out to the clubs, and I'm not really going out to fancy fine dining unless it's like a special occasion. So I feel like this one is just better for me for like on the go, when I'm just like doing grocery shopping, doing some errands, just want to quickly grab and go type of thing. This is definitely the best bag for me. And can we also just talk about the color? So like I said, this is a beige color, super beautiful. It also comes in black, and the black actually has like silver hardware and then also gold hardware. I was very tempted to get the black with the gold hardware, but lately I've just been like a white girl, like clearly wearing a white shirt, like white nude type of girl. I used to be the type of girl who needed everything black in my collection, black bags, black shoes, but now I'm being like a little bit more spontaneous these days. I don't know what it is, but I like a little bit more color, still like with my neutral, and I'm getting there now with bags, having like a brighter sense of color. But yeah, I think this is like a great in between of like not always going for the black and not doing like a bright color. Anyway, I should probably go get the strap so you guys can see that as well. So I haven't even done the straps, like it's still in its little packaging here, but pretty much this is the strap that it looks like, and you can adjust it to make it shorter or longer. Like I said, during the summertime I definitely won't be wearing this strap, but during the winter time, if I still want to use this bag, since honestly a lot of people think this is a summer bag, but I feel like beige is all year round, so that's what it looks like with its strap. And I definitely feel like I'll be wearing this during the winter time, like I said, with my puffer jackets, because the shoulder probably will be too much for me and it'll just keep falling and stuff like that. As far as what fits in here, it can fit a shit ton. And I shouldn't even be cursing on my YouTube channel, but I am. But it can fit a lot. So basically I'm just going to show you guys what I have currently in this bag, but honestly what I have right now doesn't even suffice of like how much more you can fit. So when you open it up, it has this smaller compartment here, and then it has a divider here with a zipper, and then it has this back pocket here where you kind of see my sunglasses sticking out, and that is about it, because then it just has the Coach stamp right here. Let me just, I have my phone right here, so I'm just going to put that in so you guys can just know for reference. But basically usually whenever I have my phone in this bag, I just plop it right here in the front pocket, so you kind of just see it there. Still so much room, like literally if I got the smaller one it would have just been that in the purse, but as you can tell I can still like fit something here on the side if I wanted to, like AirPods, lipstick, whatever. I don't really keep anything in this zipper divider pocket here. Honestly, if I was, like the other day I had like a lot of cash on me because I went to go get my hair done, so I kind of just stick to the cash in there, which was nice. And then this back pocket here, I just have my Prada sunglasses, girly products that I need, and then I have chapstick, I have my YSL card holder, I have my Purell, then I have my car keys along with other like house keys and whatnot attached to a keychain. Then I have my earphones, and then I just have my lotion. So like I said, all of that fits so comfortably in there. Like I literally can just chuck it in there and without any issues at all, having to place it a certain way. Like that is not the case for this bag. And I still have plenty of room to put more things if I wanted to. It does have the little button here, which is like a magnetic. I actually still have the sticker here. It's not supposed to be like this bluish color. I just have to peel it off. And I'll just have the Coach symbol here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. But yeah, it's just like a magnet close with the button. And that's it. So I am obsessed, and honestly Coach is making a comeback, which I love, because honestly when it came to my first obsession of just like loving fashion in general, I remember my mom loved Coach, and like literally every time we went to the mall we always went to Coach, and my mom always had the most beautiful bags ever, and I was so jealous. I remember she like gave me a tiny little Coach bag, and I cherished that so much, and I was just like, this is the best bag ever. Like I feel like I'm the shit because I have a Coach bag. And I also, like, I don't know if you guys remember those like wristlets for Coach, like that was like such a thing too when I was growing up. So I am all for Coach making this amazing comeback, because I've seen more and more people using Coach bags now, because just in general, like their quality was always good. Like this quality here is just so sturdy. It is like a softer leather obviously, so it is prone to like scratches, but like nothing crazy honestly. Like it wouldn't really annoy me as far as like a lambskin of like a Chanel classic flap getting scratches. And honestly I've just been seeing it a lot more on social media. Like I see it on TikTok, I see other influencers like buying Coach now again. So honestly that was the reasoning of like why I ended up going into the Coach store, because I just kept seeing it so much on social media and influencers that I follow. So yeah, I am super excited about this bag, and I literally just see it as my like new everyday bag, like slash like new summer bag to wear. And I feel like it just goes with like a lot of outfits too. Like it's just the perfect on the go purse. And I'm probably gonna honestly bring this to Vegas with me, because I can chuck a lot of stuff in here. I could honestly put my camera in here with my cell phone and I'm good to go. Like I will be vlogging non-stop. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. or like review, I should say. I haven't had it for that long. I think it's literally, Jesus, it hasn't even been that long at all. It's been like 2 weeks or something. But so far I've been loving it. Maybe I'll do like an updated review on this one like a year later. Like I said, I feel like this was definitely trending a lot more last year and the previous years, but it's still something that people have been loving and Coach has been displaying in the front of their store since spring is coming and summer. And they do have a newer version where it's the tabby style, but it's leather now instead of the pillow material, which is very pretty, but it's just too sturdy for me. So that's why I decided to go with this one. I feel like you have to stretch out the leather first in order to fit a lot of stuff in that one. I am going to leave you guys with a couple of mod shots, so I'll insert it right here. And that is pretty much all that I have on this bag. Yes, I know I have a problem. I don't know what it is with purses. I just, you know, it's just like instant gratification that I need when it comes to purses. Like, love my shoes, love my jewelry. Jewelry is starting to get there where it's kind of just like as bad as purses, but I don't know what it is with me. Like, I just love my purses. Like, always want to have an abundance of a collection of purses and have like a soft spot where like if I want it, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. But like I said, I'm very happy with this purchase. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions that I didn't really mention, because I didn't really go into detail like measurement wise of like how big exactly it is versus the small, but I can help you out in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye!